This is by far the best update of iOS ever, and there are so many changes that whatever you explore on your iOS device, it might be from the recent update. But in this video, we will only discuss the top 3 and a bonus one. So the first one is that you can lock apps individually now. Just simply hold and tap on any particular app and it will show this particular option of require face ID. Now just simply select it and it will require your face and you would be able to unlock it only using your face. But there is one more feature over here, which is hide and require face ID. Now this will hide this particular application from anyone who is trying to go through your applications, and you would be able to find this application when we scroll down here, and at the last you would be able to find this option of hidden, and they won't be able to see anything over here as well. It will only open up with your face. Now let's move on with the another update, and it is on Safari. On Safari now you get the web-like features, like when we click on this particular icon, we can see that we can now remove distracting items on any particular website. Suppose you are seeing something distracting on any particular website, just simply select that particular item and click on hide. And this is how easily it will remove. Now you can start reading and click on hide in order to hide it up. This is how easy it is, and you can also get back. There are some more features over here as well, like you can increase the font size if you are looking to read it properly, and you can also decrease it as well. And here you can also search for any particular term that you are looking for on that particular website by just simply searching for it. Now when we click on these 3 dots, here you get this complete page menu. Here you can add bookmarks, get the privacy report and some other stuff as well. It looks exactly like the desktop. Now let's get back, and there are some more features that you can utilize. Now let's explore another update, and it is on your home screen itself. Simply hold and tap, and now you can see the edit option at the very top left hand side corner. When we click on it, you get 3 different options, whether you can customize it, edit the pages and add widgets as well. When we click on customize, you get to see this particular option. You can make it large or small according to your needs and requirements. You can also select the theme for it, like the dark one or the light one, and this looks quite good. So you can change accordingly, and you can also play around with other options as well in this particular customization. So these are some changes. Now for the bonus one, this was the most awaited change that most of us iOS users has been looking for, and it is the removing option on calculator. Basically calculator just got better on iOS. For real, this is how you would be able to make changes, and I'm just loving it. Earlier this used to be a drawback when it came to using calculators on iOS, but now you can just simply go back to any particular calculations and make changes to it. But still, Android gives some more flexibility when it comes to these calculations, like when we click on it and we can select any particular part and then edit it, but it is not there. Now you can see there are some more options available, like convert, maths notes and scientific calculations as well. On the top left hand side corner, you can see a list of calculations that you have done on your calculator. And the updates that we discuss is just a tip of the iceberg. When you go through all the updates, you would be able to see that how big of an update this particular update is. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more such helpful videos.